I'm Don Thomas, NASA astronaut and director of the Hackerman Academy of Mathematics and Science here at Towson University. Here on Earth, everything is dominated by gravity. When you drop an object, it falls until it hits the surface of the Earth. There's a common misconception that in space there is zero gravity up there, which is why everything is weightless and appears to float. But technically, that's not correct. In 1867, Sir Isaac Newton came up with what's called Newton's law of universal gravitation. This law says that every mass in the universe is attracted to every other object out there. 200 miles up in space, the gravitational force is only 10% less than it is down here at the surface of the Earth. So even though there's a force, gravitational force, acting on things in space, everything still floats up there. How can this be? For a stationary object above the Earth, it will simply fall back down to the planet. Very similar to a baseball. When you toss it up, it comes straight back down to Earth. If we look at the velocity required to orbit the Earth, this is called orbital velocity. And in this orbit, it's in a continuous state of free fall, falling around the Earth. It never impacts the surface, but continues to orbit in a state of free fall. So in conclusion, in an orbiting spaceship, the reason things float in space is because the space shuttle is in a continuous state of free fall around the surface of the Earth. And it is not because there is zero gravity in space. Zero gravity. It's all about orbits and free falling. But you gotta watch out, because if you're not in orbit, the Earth is gonna get you.